Good afternoon, Mayfield. This is Miss MacPhee, and it is Thursday, March 2nd, and this is the homework for my Math 6 students that's due tomorrow, March 3rd. We had our quiz today on adding and subtracting and multiplying decimals, and I'm looking through it right now, and it's really good. Very proud of all of you and your hard work. The homework this week is just the front, and most of you said you looked at it, didn't look so bad, but someone did ask in the shoebox if we could look at the problem here where we're using diagrams to represent multiplication. So remember, if you like the standard algorithm, then please feel free to use it. You're going to multiply just as if the numbers were whole numbers, and then at the end, since we have 2 digits behind the decimal, you're going to want 2 digits behind the decimal in your answer. For those of you that are unfamiliar with the box method, I like it because it does reinforce a skill that you're going to get to use more as you continue into high school level mathematics when you start looking at something called polynomials. So remember that when you factor polynomials, you'll use something similar to this box method. I can take my 42 and break it into its place value. So there's my 42, and then my 16 I can break down into 10 and 6. And then what I can do here is I can multiply. So 10 times 40 is 400, and 10 times 2 is 20, and 6 times 40 is 240, and 6 times 2 is 12. If I add these up, I then have 420 and 252, and you can add them up in any order you want. I'm doing this for a reason that you'll see later in this video. When I add them up, I have 2, 7, and 6, but I have 2 digits behind the decimal in the problem, so I need 2 digits behind the decimal in the answer. So that's how we can use this area diagram or box method. If you prefer the standard algorithm, again, I'm going to multiply. 2 times 6 is 12 and carry the 1. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1 is 25. I'm done. Placeholder, because I'm not really multiplying by 1, I'm multiplying by 10. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 4 is 4. So the reason that I added my area diagram that way was to show you that the partial answers are the same. And when I add up, I still get 672 with 2 digits behind the decimal. All right, I hope that helps. I will see you soon. Thank you for all your hard work. Bye, Mayfield.